Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Sun Wukong in Raid Shadow Legends. Sun Wukong is a special promotional champion, and unlike regular champions, you can get him from shard summons. He's tied to limited time events, crossover promotions, or promo codes. When first introduced, players unlock him by logging in for a set of number of days, usually 7, or completing specific event quests. If you miss the original event, Sun Wukong isn't currently obtainable through normal gameplay, including Ancient Void or Sacred Shard. However, Plarium sometimes re-releases promo champions via new events or promo codes, so it's worth keeping an eye on official announcements, social media, or in-game news. The key takeaway is that Sun Wukong is only available during special events. If he isn't an ongoing event, your only option is to wait for a potential rerun, similar to how other promotional champions like Ronda have returned in the past. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.